This is Perhood, a father of four, a local fisherman in the Shnangpeding village. This is Perhood, a father of four, a local fisherman in the Shnangpeding village, a true wanderer supporter. We traveled upriver in traditional boats made by the villagers and trekked deep into the forests by the Umgon River to engage in the primary activity of the Khaasi tribesmen. In the winter months, they collect betel nuts or supari from the forest, but on a daily basis, they collect betel leaves and jackfruit. Perhood then demonstrated how they used the bark of the betel nut tree to channel water across the mountainside using the gradient of the mountain. We begin the collection process by washing our hands and feet, and then proceed to cleanse the collection basket and the sickle. In the less dense parts of the forests, they have left makeshift ladders crafted from materials available in the forest to collect the betel leaves. So the locals, they use these sickles right here to clear out the extra foliage from the trees above. There you go. So that the younger offsprings have a clear path up the betel nut tree. So this is actually a creeper that grows along with the betel nut tree, and they do this so that they have enough sunlight and clear passage, so that they can maximize the yield of the betel nut leaf. The betel leaf that goes into the local pond that they have. Plus, here's a creepy spider on the tree. Have a look, see. The younger plants sprout roots that help them attach and climb up the supari tree. ये भी सुपारी है? सुपारी.
Shouldn't. Mum isikai be jauh. Mundur mah isikai. Cái rồi nhá. Cái. Xuống đi.
I just have one of these right off the tree. Plus, this is my gear, so I can collect betel nut leaves and betel leaves with them. And the nut itself is very hard to chew, but it does give you a bit of a buzz in your head, so it's very interesting. भूटान जानते हो आप? भूटान भूटान भूटान
Hutan.
नेपाल भूटान
Oh, dan
भूटान वहाँ पे भी ये खाते हैं लोग.
Sẽ hutan sẽ nó là bát này hẳn. Xuống phải ra. ये xuống.
हम सब खाएगा. ऐसे? Give me a leaf with some tuna in it. So you just fold it and eat it. The flavors are very intense, but the leaf adds character to the supari. The local people also carry the lunch with them. And it's a fun back scratcher. So the language is a barrier. I'm eating the local supari right now along with the farm. And it's difficult to communicate, but you can make them smile, you can make them laugh, you can make them relate more to you. For example, right now, I just poked at his calf muscles that are this big, and then poked at mine, and like they were obviously very pudgy, and he kind of giggled at that, so he likes me a little more now, and I'm hoping he'll share his BD with me. इतना सारा पत्ता का कितना पैसा मिलता? हाँ? ये जो इतना पत्ता है कितना मिलता उसके लिए?
ये 20 रुपया है मिले.
20 रुपया मिलेगा. हर रोज कितना किलो पूरा भर के जाता आप हर रोज? This is the diseased part of the plant, which if not removed, could destroy the entire plant. From this entire length, can we make 2 of those baskets over there, which he'll be making? मेरे सामने बनाओगे भैया? हाँ हाँ आप तो बड़े पसंद हो मेरे को. ये पूरा हटा दे क्या? Parhud then taught me how to remove the dying betel leaf creepers and clear passage for the new ones. It's interesting that even though individual tribespeople don't have ownership over specific parts of the forest, they nurture and preserve these natural resources as a shared responsibility for the benefit of the entire community. He then taught me how to pick the right betel leaves, thereby allowing the plant to grow well. अच्छा समझ गया हम. ताकि आप ये उगेगा, ये आगे उगेगा.
ये ले लो
ये छोड़ दो. ठीक है. They carry their lunches. This is rice, in these locally made little packs, and this is how they make it. Thank you. This is what you carry part in. This is amazing. This is perfect. Thank you, Parhud.
Okay.
Balancing a tree on your shoulders while trekking downhill is more difficult than it looks.